Sonnet to a Nightingale by Charlotte Smith. Read for LibriVox.org by Finn Jameson. July 28th, 2008. Poor melancholy bird, that all night long tells to the moon thy tale of tender woe. From what said cause can such sweet sorrow flow, and whence this mournful melody of song? Thy poet's musing fancy would translate what mean the sounds that swell thy little breast, when still at dewy eve thou leav'st thy nest, thus to the listening night to sing thy fate. Pale sorrow's victims wert thou once among, though now released in woodlands wild to rove. Or hast thou felt from friends some cruel wrong, or diest thou, martyr of some disastrous love? Ah, songstress sad, that such my lot might be, to sigh and sing at liberty, like thee. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.